In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit diagrams in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any other occasion, knowing how to effectively use diagrams can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your message. So, let's dive into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open Google Slides on your preferred browser. If you haven't already, log into your Google account to access your projects. Once you're in, either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you'd like to insert your diagram. Now, let's get started by navigating to the top menu. Click on Insert, then locate Diagram from the drop-down menu. This action opens a new panel on the right side of your screen, presenting you with a variety of diagram options. Here, you can choose from grids, timelines, hierarchy charts, and more. Each of these types serves different purposes, so select the one that best fits the information you need to present. After selecting your preferred type of diagram, you'll notice some customization options appear, like number, size, and color. Go ahead and choose the number of levels your diagram should have. If you're working on a timeline, for instance, this would mean how many time markers you want to include. For a hierarchy chart, this might mean how many tiers you want to represent. Adjust the size to ensure that your diagram fits seamlessly into your slide without overcrowding other elements. Play with the colors to match your branding or theme. This step not only improves aesthetics, but also helps in distinguishing different parts of your diagram. Once you've customized your diagram to your liking, click or drag it into your slide. Adjust its positioning and size to fit within your slide layout. If you need to make any changes after placing the diagram on the slide, just click on it to bring up editing options. You can change aspects like its style, or even switch to a different type of diagram altogether if you find it doesn't suit your needs after all. It's important to utilize these diagrams effectively by integrating them with your textual content. For instance, you might want to place bullet points or annotations alongside your diagram to give your audience more context or elaborate on certain points. This makes your presentation not just more visually appealing, but also more informative and engaging. Remember to periodically save your work by clicking on File and then Save, although Google Slides often saves your progress automatically. Before you know it, you're ready to present a polished, professional-looking slide deck enhanced by the power of diagrams, adding an extra layer of comprehension for your audience. And there you have it, a simple guide to inserting and editing diagrams in Google Slides. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. It streamlines the process and ensures that your presentations are not only visually engaging, but also effectively convey your message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become proficient in your presentations.